I'm ready to go. Welcome to today's episode of Weekday Binning.
Never took a left. Oh, that cart with a jack wheel.
Oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible. Maybe there's gonna be like the mother load of jeans. We could each get a cart. I'm gonna get this janky one with tags in it. Oh, it's so serene.
Cutting boards. I don't think I'd buy cutting boards at the bins. Oh dear. This toaster oven is disgusting. Oh my. Little lambs, Christmas. Precious.
You never look in the first one. And you can see why. I feel like this is a disaster. Yeah, there's a reason why I don't ever look in that one. Because it is frightening.
It's a Pompazon chair. It's a folding Pompazon chair. Handy. What do we got here? DVD player. Nope. Not collectible. MIckie. No. Joy. Recipe box. Empty. Priority mailboxes. That's good. Ooh, American Graffiti. Sealed. VHS. So look at that. I got a feeling about this one. Taking that. Some cards.
Somebody dropped off their soap, shaving cream, wallet. I always like to look in here and see, like in the wallets and in the suitcases, if I can find money. But usually not. Usually not. I'm sure it's happened though. I'm sure in just like a fit of rage, somebody cleaning, throwing stuff out, has lost money. Look at this hand-painted Santa ball. Now if it was Christmas, I don't know, handmade in Sri Lanka. It's very interesting. I don't really want to hold on to it until Christmas, but should I? What do you think? Comment down below. I'm going to put it in the cart, but I might put it back.
Wow, that was sharp. That's a sharp wreath. You might be a redneck. It's kind of how I'm feeling today. A little silly.
On her phone. Who remembers Stephen Barry's? H&M shorts. 34. Okay. Yeah, I'll get these all day. 30 or 24.99. Again, not much profit, but nice. That's pretty sweet.
There's CD in it.
Oh, well, that's nice. Look at these are brand new. H&M. They have $24 tag on them.
Very cool. Oh my god, it's Brittany. Nope. It's like a bin full of pool noodles or whatever you call them. This is like a bin of foam. Okay. Corkscrew. There's a coffee cup. Water noodles everywhere. School bus. Pens. There's just, it's an eclectic mix. It's just amazing. Nothing I want though. Some waffles. Okay.
Now see, this is a nice skirt, but there's no tag on it. That really stinks because I feel like this pattern is something that somebody would want. But with no tag, I don't know what to even describe it as, and it's probably gonna sit forever. Walmart, someone just like buy their whole wardrobe at Walmart and then just donate it into this bin? Is that what happened? Oh, this feels awful. It feels like straw. Ew, God.
Lee Riders, mid-rise boot cut. They're in pretty good shape. Size 10P. I don't know what P means, but we're gonna tag them. It's because they're in pretty good shape.
What is this? You and me, margaritas. El Rancho Grande. Okay. This is disgusting. I guess it's just like the fabric material they use, but it looks like there's cat hair all over it. That's just gross. No. No. Ooh, these Wranglers. Yuck. Here's some Levi's. These are 550, 3630. Great size. And looks like great condition. Look at these beauties. Relax Fit 550. Okay. I was gonna make sure that button buttons. And there is a button there. Oh yeah, these are great. Okay. These are like $15 right here, and they'll literally cost like $1.50. So that's a definite yes. And that's like a minimum of 15. Look right there. Do you see them? Do you see them? Levi's. More Levi's. These ones are beautiful too. $34.30. Whoever you are, thanks for donating your jeans, friends. We have a new rule, no less than 32s because they take forever to sell. Who is that size? Nobody. These are fire. They're definitely fire.
Ooh, Levi. Arizona.
That's what I think I'm gonna say no. You gotta be selective. What's this?
It's a shirt.
I don't know, but what is it? It might be a dress.
Shirt.
Joan
Look at all
Rivers.
these they've been behind
Joan Rivers. No.
Let's talk. Can we talk?
Really double pocketed.
saw the patch. Livis.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
They're women's.
Yeah, who cares? That's a good size. That's the best.
I don't know what they are, for sure. Oh, we got some here. Old Navy. Oh, wow. What is going on there? That's not supposed to be like that.
Boston Fire Department? I think I'm gonna like that, but I don't wear like cut off sleeve shirts. It's not my jam. Will work for V-Bucks. I don't even know what that is. There's some, Levi's khaki carpenters. Somebody missed these. Oh, these are vintage. Yeah, you can tell by this tag. These are old ones. Okay, friends. These are old ones. See these? These are old ones. They're a little frayed at the bottom. But, oh, look at this tag. Okay.
This is the bin at the front. People throw everything back. Every now and again I find some decent stuff in here. This is a disaster though. There's a vacuum in there. This is just a ball of cords and hangers. I'm not feeling in the mood to dig through there. The last sweet days of Isaac. Wow, that is interesting. Peter Allen, Legs Diamond. Yep. Okay. Let My People Come, a sexual musical. Yep. I think they're all naked. Okay. The back of this record is scandalous. Probably gonna have to censor some of this. This is interesting. I gotta see if that's worth anything. I feel like that's one of those weird, funky things that might actually be worth some money. Sorry to broadcast the smut. Don't remember that movie. Oh. It's the rare Disney VHS. That's what I think of those. I just wish someone would buy Disney VHS from me for $4,000. Hey, look, it's a butter churn. Could take it and churn our own butter. Vintage Kennywood cup. For those of you that don't live in the Pittsburgh area, Kennywood is like our little amusement park. I'm gonna look it up. It's very strange. It might be worth. Yeah. The manual's in here.
Babe, look, did you see this?
Yeah, oh no, I saw.
Oh my god.
Did you look at the new bins with the clothes?
It's like a record porn.
Yeah, did you look at the new bins? With
Yes, look what I got out of there. Look at these.
Oh yeah.
Look.
Oh yeah, they're vintage.
Yeah, and I got this for myself. I need a new shirt. It's Stone
The record's
Creek.
actually in good shape.
Stone Creek Tracking.
Okay.
I think we should just get that. It's freaking weird.
Yeah.
Pardon my language.
Well,
It's freaking weird.
there's a whole bunch of weird records in here. Nothing I think is worth any money,
Real
but
Girls Guide.
it's a rock musical.
No, but
I don't know, you probably should look this one up too. This lady for Murder, She Wrote.
this is a weird one too.
Can I take that one too?
Look at this. Look at it. Look at what it says right here. And then he's like grabbing her crotch. So I feel like this might be some kind of cult thing.
Okay.
All right.
Are we done?
You want to go to the side?
Yeah, it's current. Oh, there's something sticky all over that. Luckily there's a rag right here. That's disgusting. That's what I get for looking at CDs. Sticky stuff all over my hands. And some deodorant. That's good.